What up, y'all? The Jeff Wilson here. Well, I've been doing a lot of changes off in the shop. I do have this huge area open. We got our screen print stuff for setting up. Of course, we got some of our lasers over here. But I have this huge empty area. It's time to change that. Now, the very first thing we need to do is to take care of that flooring, because I don't want to have to move something over there and pull it right back up just to add some sort of flooring. So what I did, I got online and I looked all over Amazon, eBay, through a whole bunch of different websites, and what I ended up buying was 3 boxes of Vevor rubber top EVA flooring. Like I said, I got almost 300 square foot of this. It's right at $500 my cost. So it's not cheap, but it's not expensive either, considering what all we're doing and what this can do. But let's get to work. Now, with this flooring, this is not what I initially wanted, but I wanted horse stall mats, and all my local Tractor Supplies had none in stock. The reason I wanted them, because it is full, nice, thick rubber, and it can take impacts of stuff dropping on it or whatever gets thrown on it, falls on it really well. Now this stuff right here, it'll do the same thing, just not as thick, and it does have a nice little speckling to it, so it's going to hide a lot of the dust, or not really dust, it is dust, but a lot of the lint coming off that dryer right over there. Because if you ever mess with screen print, it produces a ton of lint, and right now it's not vented out. Even still, when it's when it gets vented out, we are still going to have lint issues due to just the way the nature of the screen printing is. It always produces a lot of dust, and it's always lint everywhere. And so it's a constant fight with vacuuming and whatever. This right here is going to make it a little bit easier to clean up whenever it gets on there, compared to just your standard EVA foam with this rubber top, and a lot easier to wipe stuff off of as well. Because if you've ever messed with just your basic EVA foam, which I have around my press now, once glue or plastisol gets on it, it's always there. All you're doing is smearing it. You can clean it the best you can, but it never gets fully up. But we're going to get with this. We're going to start by lining this back wall up back here and just work our way out. Now, also a good thing about this, it does have edging on here that can be removed when we don't want it. So we are able to keep a nice clean edge. Now, I'm actually going to put this about 1 inch off of the wall. Or not really the wall, the metal at the wall, just for personal reasons. Like I said, it won't affect anything. It's just the way I want it, because if water happens to come up underneath that metal for some reason, I'd like to be able to know without it just sitting underneath that foam. And because when we get some heavy downpours, it's something I like to know. If I have moisture underneath there, I know I need to pull this up to get it dry underneath. And that's the only reason I'm leaving about 1 inch off of the wall. Now this is real simple to install. Like I said, all these just lock into itself, and you press it down with your hand. Like I said, you can use a hammer or whatever. Now we'll come to this side and we'll pull that off, and we'll continue on right down the side of our wall. installed. So I have almost 300 square foot of rubber EVA flooring that I bought from Vevor. I do like a lot more in here. So if anyone knows Vevor real well and wants to get them to send me enough to finish off this 2,400 square foot shop, be much appreciated. But this right here is going to work great for what we have in mind. Like I said, I know what I'm doing, but what do you think I'm going to be doing with this area? Like I said, we got a big, wide, open area to mess with. Like I said, this stuff went down real easy. It just snapped together. I spent maybe 30 minutes total on putting this flooring down. Now, it did take a little bit longer than I wanted because I had to get some help to lift up the conveyor dryer, which that's actually going to be getting moved a little bit before too much longer. So it's not going to stay there. But you'll have to subscribe for a future video for that. But overall, I like the way this looks. I know it's going to work great for what I want to do. But make sure to comment below what you think this area is going to be for. Till next time, y'all take it easy.